you're experiencing connection errors with your PlayStation 5, calibrating your settings can help resolve these issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection. Step 1. Check network status. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Test your network by connecting another device to see if it can access the internet without issues. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your PlayStation 5 completely and unplug it from the power source for about a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for any available updates. Install any updates to ensure your console is running the latest software. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Settings. Choose Setup Internet Connection and either select Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection type. Follow the prompts to ensure your settings are optimized. Step 5. Test Internet Connection. After adjusting your settings, go back to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. This will help you see if the changes made have improved your connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your PlayStation 5 and resolve any connection errors. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.